Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by starting Ranni's quest immediately. Find her at the Three Sisters Tower and talk through every dialogue option. Once done, make sure you clear the surrounding Caria Manor and defeat Royal Knight Loretta to open further progression. You don't need to grind for levels now. Prioritize story steps and exploration. Keep a staff equipped and raise intelligence toward 30 if you want to use Comet Azur when you get it. This opens the next chain of necessary locations and NPC events. You continue by following Ranni's story beats. Enter Nokron and Ainsel River regions and trigger the scripted scenes that advance her quest. Once done, make sure to find and interact with Ranni at each milestone. Missing one interaction stalls the reward. Clear the bosses and optional encounters that gate the deeper areas. They unlock access to Ranni's rise and her final reward. Take your time exploring each alcove for items that are required later, and keep returning to her tower to check for new dialogue. You claim Comet Azur by returning to Ranni at her tower after all her quest milestones are completed. Speak through the final dialogue, and she grants the spell. Once received, make sure to equip it and test in a safe area. Comet Azur demands high intelligence and FP, so adjust stats and flasks accordingly. If the spell doesn't appear, reload an earlier save and verify you triggered every required cutscene and boss. As a troubleshooting tip, missing a single NPC interaction is the usual culprit.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.